self-reliance.
$10,000 billion worth of reserves of mines and minerals, granite, stones, etc. So I think those who worry too much on this, they should stay at peace, and inshallah, God willing, Pakistan will follow the Chinese model and will prosper in the years to come. Excellency, since we have talked of security issue, I reiterate what I shared with you our views, the government actions in our bilateral this morning, that the Pakistan government is absolutely crystal clear that we will not let any stone unturned without taking all possible measures. And there's going to be on average there is one meeting in a week which Prime Minister chairs on Chinese security related issues, and we are going to have an apex meeting in which all 4 provinces and the key holders will be there, and we will review the national action plan which we made after in 2014 when we had a very sad incident, attack on a school of children in KP. So let me assure you, Excellency, that on the security side we are absolutely clear that terrorists would be brought to justice. I have also shared with you that we have reached to the culprits. They are in custody. The process is on. We are trying to reach the last link, and so far the entire evidence unfortunately witnesses that it's been planned, it's been sponsored, it's been financed, and it's been actually monitored across the border. So, which is a very sad thing. I think we both understand, this is a sensitive issue, and the authorities are totally looking into this issue, with the absolute responsibility. Because I myself just visited during Eid holidays a project on which Jagran 2, Jagran 1 was done in 97-99. I was finance minister. 30 megawatts, and Jagran 2 is just under construction, is expected to be completed by June 2025. I was informed that Chinese engineers, brethren, are working there. So I had the pleasure of meeting 2 days ago, visited the project, and I had a very good discussion with them. Excellency, as we approach the culmination of this remarkable event, I am filled with profound sense of all-enduring Pakistan-China friendship and its promising future trajectory. Our deliberations have re-inaugurated our faith in the vitality of Pakistan-China all-weather strategic cooperation and partnership for the progress and development of our 2 countries, as well as for regional peace and stability. Excellency, the Pakistan-China relationship is more than a diplomatic norm. It represents an